Jai Hind everyone, welcome to the class. Let's start with the next adverbs. Today we will work on hard and hardly. Hard and hardly are adverbs. Hard is used in the positive as well as negative, both manners. Hard is a adverb of manner. Hard is used both as an adjective and adverb, whereas hardly is only used as adverb. Hardly को सिर्फ हम लोग as a negative adverb ही use कर सकते हैं, whereas hard can be used as positive as well as negative, and it can be used as adjective as well as adverb. Now the first example is he is a hard worker. He is a hard worker. Here hard is used as adjective and worker is noun. Right. He works hard. He works hard. वह कैसे काम करता है? वह कड़ी मेहनत करता है. Here hard is used as adverb. Here hard is used as adverb and it is used in the positive way. It is used in the positive way. Next example is he was hard hit in a collision. Means उसे बुरी तरह से hit कर दिया accident पे. He was hard hit. Here hard is used in the negative sense. Hard is used in the negative sense and it is used as adverb here. I think this is clear to everyone. Now look at the adverb hardly. Hardly is used as negative adverb only. Hardly is only used as negative adverb and it is an adverb of frequency. It is adverb of frequency. For example, he hardly works. He hardly works. If you write it as he works hardly, that will be wrong because adverb of frequency is always placed before the verb. ये मैंने कल भी बताया था कि adverb of frequency जो है that is always placed before the verb it modifies. जिस verb को ये modify करता है उसके immediate पहले इसको लिखा जाता है. Now there are few tips for adverb of hardly. adverb की कुछ tips है. Hardly वो लिख लीजिए आप. Hardly is hardly, scarcely, barely are negative adverbs that means almost not. इनका जो मीनिंग है that is almost not. Hardly is usually used with any, ever, at all, or the verb can. Hardly का जो यूज है almost in words के साथ किया जाता है. They are always, hardly is always followed by these verbs. Now look at the example. She has hardly any money. She has hardly any money. means very little money. Very little money. Now look at the next example. Next is we hardly ever go out. We hardly ever go out. इस सेंटेंस का क्या मीनिंग है? That we very seldom go out. कि हम लोग बहुत rarely, बहुत कम बाहर जाते हैं. We very seldom go out. Next example is it hardly rained at all summer last year. Means there was no rain in the last summer. कि पिछले साल बिल्कुल भी बारिश नहीं हुई. At all means there was no rain at all last summer. Next example is the bag is so heavy that he can hardly lift it. That he can hardly lift it means he was unable to lift that bag because it was very heavy. Here can is used as verb. Here can is used as verb means he was unable to lift the bag because it was very heavy. I think this is clear to everyone. Hardly can also be used with the other words. For example, if you say, I hardly know him. I hardly know him. Means मैं उसे बहुत अच्छे से नहीं जानता हूं, मैं उसे बहुत कम जानता हूं. I hardly know him. The only thing you have to take care of that we do not have to use the negative word, another negative word with hardly. The words that we have to use with hardly are, it can be followed with at all, any, ever, and the verb can. Is it clear to everyone? I think this is clear to everyone. हाँ, इस केस में आपको जो ये आपको थोड़े से वर्ड्स मैंने आपको लिख के दिए हैं, इनका थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज समटाइम यू हैव टू करेक्ट द सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंगली. आपको सेंटेंसेस को इन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंगली भी हो सकता है ठीक करना पड़े. तो आपको ये देखना है कि दे कैन बी फॉलोड बाय विच वर्ड्स, उनको आपने थोड़ा सा दिमाग में रख लेना है. Now look at the few examples. We appreciate the hardly or hard won freedom by our freedom fighters. Next is the farmers were hardly or hard hit by the wet weather. Next is he works hard or hardly and will certainly succeed. Next is he hardly did no work. चलिए जी करेक्ट करिए इन सेंटेंसेस को. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में क्या आएगा? We appreciate the hardly or hard. First sentence will be we appreciate the hard-won freedom by our freedom fighters. Yes. Next is the farmers were hard hit by the wet weather. He works hard or hardly. He works hard and will certainly succeed. Here hard is used as hard को कैसे यूज किया? hard का पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच क्या है इस सेंटेंस में? hard here is used as adverb of manner because it is modifying verb. ये verb को modify कर रहा है. Here it is used as adverb. और अगर ये as a adjective होता तो ये noun से पहले होता. Next is he hardly did no work. He hardly did no work. Yes, very good. He hardly did any work. He hardly did any work. कि शायद ही उसने कोई काम किया है. I think this is clear to everyone. Now the next word is scarcely. अब usually हमें confusion रहती है कि scarcely क्या होता है. Scarcely is also negative adverb. Scarcely and barely. These are also negative adverbs. ये दोनों भी क्या हैं? ये दोनों भी हमारे negative adverbs हैं. Scarcely means almost not. Scarcely means almost not. जो कि हार्डली का भी यही मीनिंग था कि ऑलमोस्ट नॉट. एंड बेयरली मीन्स नॉट मोर देन. बेयरली मीन्स नॉट मोर देन. राइट. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. देयर वर scarcely 10 people in the meeting. क्या मीनिंग है इसका? What is the meaning of this sentence? There were scarcely 10 people in the meeting. कौन बताएगा? क्या मीनिंग है इसका नितिन? There were scarcely 10 people in the meeting. Yes, means less than 10. 10 से भी कम लोग थे. It means probably fewer. Next example is there were barely 10 people in the meeting. अब इसका क्या मीनिंग है? There were barely 10 people in the meeting. That means only just 10. It means only just 10. कि बहुत खींच खींच के हमने 10 लोगों को पूरा किया मीटिंग के लिए. His voice was barely audible. His voice was barely audible. It means it was only just audible कि बहुत मुश्किल से हम उसकी आवाज को सुन पा रहे थे. I can barely see it. I can barely see it means I can only just see it. कि बहुत मुश्किल से मैं उसको देख पा रहा था. I think this is clear. Now let's move on to the next one. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे एडवर्ब्स हैं बट मैं उन्हीं मेन एडवर्ब्स को लेके काम कर रही हूँ जिन पे हमें ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है, ज्यादा हमें उनको सेंटेंस में हेल्प करते हैं. जो नेक्स्ट इज हाई एंड हाईली. हाई एंड हाईली. High and highly, these both are used as adverb. High is used in the adverbial phrases. High is used in the adverbial phrases. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं fly high, aim high, play high, dream high. These are adverbial phrases. तो adverbial phrases में भी हम लोग adverb high का use करते हैं. Highly is also adverb and it is used before the participles. Highly is used before participles. Participles क्या है? Participles is first form of the verb plus ing. First form of the verb plus ing is participles. अब जो डिफरेंस है हाई और हाईली में, क्या डिफरेंस है? हाई जो है, हाई इज यूज्ड टू शो टू एन एलिवेटेड पोजीशन. To an elevated position means great height, ऊंचाई तक. And highly is used to show means greatly, extremely. Or it means to a great extent. ठीक. For example, he is in a high position. अब हाई पोजीशन में एलिवेटेड पोजीशन आ रहा है कि मीन्स बहुत ऊंचाई तक, ग्रेट हाइट, ऊंचाई पे. The birds flew high. The birds flew high. Can anybody give me the parts of speech of high in both the sentences? First और second sentence में हमने high को कैसे use किया हुआ है? Yes, very good. In the first sentence, it is used as adjective. In the first sentence, high is used as adjective. Because ये position से पहले use किया है, तो ये हमारा adjective है. And in the next sentence, it is used after the verb. It is adverb of manner. Clear? Now come to the next examples. The aeroplane flew high or highly in the sky. क्या आएगा इसमें फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में? Second is his remarks were high or highly objectionable. He was the most high or highly paid member. Next example is his desk was high or highly just a second. His desk was piled high or highly. P-I-L-E-D. Because adverb should be placed after verb. Was piled high or highly with papers. चलिए जी देखिए अब क्या आएगा इसमें. First sentence will be the aeroplane flew high. Next is his remarks were highly objectionable to a great extent. He was the most highly paid member. Next is his desk was piled high or highly with papers. इसमें क्या आएगा? Highly क्यों नहीं आएगा? Why not highly? Yes, because यहाँ high जो है that is showing the height कि बहुत ऊपर तक उसका डेस्क जो है वो भरा हुआ था with papers. So it will be high. Now the next is respectfully and respectively. Respectfully and respectively. Respectfully means, अब respectfully जो है वो किससे बना है? Respect से. Respect का पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच क्या है? Respect is noun. Respectful is adjective and respectfully is adverb. तो वर्ड एक है बट सिर्फ इसमें हमने सफिक्स ऐड करा है और वर्ड का मीनिंग जो है वो टोटली चेंज हो गया है. रिस्पेक्ट, रिस्पेक्टफुल एंड रिस्पेक्टफुली. The parts of speech has changed in all the words. First is noun, respectful is adjective and respectfully is adverb. Means it means with, respectfully means with respect and dignity. Respect and dignity. आदर भाव. And respectively means in a particular sequence. In a particular sequence. Look at the example. When the guest arrived, the audience stood up respectively or respectfully. Next is Ram and Mohan, ages 4 and 6, respectively or respectfully. Good at playing. चलिए जी बताइए इसमें क्या आएगा. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में when the guest arrived, the audience stood up respectfully means आदर भाव से सब लोग खड़े हो गए. Next is Ram and Mohan, ages 4 and 6. It will be respectively. Respectively means 4 जो है एज किसकी है? राम की और 6 है मोहन की. That is in a particular sequence. So it will be respectively. Clear to everyone? चलिए जी आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. We'll continue with the next few more adverbs, few more important adverbs with the examples. और साथ ही हम लोग उसकी असाइनमेंट भी करेंगे. Till then, stay home, stay safe. जय हिंद, जय भारत. हाँ जी आप बताइए जी, कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी को? क्लियर है सबको?
यस मैम.
ठीक है. टुडे इज थर्सडे, कल कोशिश करेंगे कि ये कंप्लीट हो जाए, और साथ ही आपने क्या करना है, आपने असाइनमेंट कर लेनी है इसकी, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
फिर उसके बाद हम लोग सैटरडे को इसका छोटा सा एक टेस्ट रख लेंगे एडवर्ब का। मंडे विल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक करेंगे, मॉडल्स नहीं किया ना हमने, और क्या नहीं किया हमने, प्रीपोजिशन हो गया हमारा, हो गया, वो नहीं करेंगे, फिर पहले मॉडल्स करेंगे। मंडे को हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज मॉडल्स। मॉडल्स स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। एंड आई विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस रिटन पार्ट बाय 15th, ये एनडीए वालों के लिए स्पेशली। 15 तक हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि जो भी हमारा ये ग्रामर का रिटन पार्ट है वो क्लियर हो जाए। उसके बाद हम लोग सिर्फ काम करेंगे अपने पेपर्स पे, जो हमारे पेपर्स हैं उनको सॉर्ट आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उनको देखेंगे कि पिछले जो पेपर्स हुए हैं उनमें किस तरह से क्या एरर्स आए हुए हैं, एंटोनिम सिनोनिम कैसे है, डबल फिलर्स कैसे हैं, उन पे काम करेंगे, ठीक है। और बाकी जो है एसआई वाले और बैंकिंग वाले, उनका तो चलता रहेगा। और अगर आप लोग चाहो तो आप लोग भी इनके साथ पेपर्स में देख सकते हो, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू ओनली कि आप लोगों ने किस तरह से करना है, ठीक है जी।